Ray, stand next to that for me. Stand next to that. Alright guys, we're here in Tampa at Slamfest. We got here super early, so there hasn't been a lot of people around. We've been able to get good footage down, but while the crowd is still building, we are gonna take a quick peek at the gun show. Let's see what we see. Alright guys, so we just left the gun show. We were in the middle of filming it all, you guys will see, but we were told that we couldn't film. So you guys will see a little bit of it. It was pretty good. We walked out empty-handed, which is weird, but it wasn't gun show prices. But now, as you're about to see when he flips the camera, showtime. They did? Huh? They sanded the whole car and then cleared it. They just cleared right over it. That was pretty bad.
That is super clean. I like those. As clean as it gets right there, huh?
This is a piece of art right here. This is amazing. From the color to the attention to detail, this thing is beautiful.
Woo! That one's crazy too.
It went out.
Would you take it?
This show's amazing. I mean, it's good. We're getting great ideas for our own builds. So, I mean, to kick off, I think we're only not even a quarter through the show, and there's some badass rides. Makes me definitely rethink my ideas and amplify them a little bit more for next year. So when it comes here, man, look at that.
Crazy.
Kevin, this is for me.
You like this one?
I like this one. Look at the hood.
Oh yeah. Ray, stand next to that for me. Stand next to that.
You think fit in my garage, you think?
Do they use chain link for the straps?
What do you think?
This thing is wicked, man.
Wicked, huh?
It's on 5 tons. Great. right, guys, so we just walked out of Slamfest, came, we saw, we conquered. It was amazing. There was some awesome trucks. We got some great ideas for next year. We got some great merchandise also to rock. We saw some badass C10s, some OBS, some lifted trucks, crazy sound systems like I've never seen. Some that were a little bit outer space, but hey, to each his own. So this is gonna conclude. Even walking out of the parking lot, we got badass truck there. We got a Slam truck over there. So it's exactly what the 4.5 hour drive was meant to be. It was definitely 1000% worth it. We loved it. So stay extreme, stay tuned, because the next videos will hopefully be big bucks down.